Hi, good evening. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters and welcome to my channel. Tonight we're looking at the block of the month called It's So Kind of Wonderful, and it's Starry Night. So this is my Christmas quilt that I'm getting ready for this 2026 Christmas. Give myself plenty of time. I'm learning how to use the curved rulers. So it looks like this, and then it has a curve, and then you cut in the curve, and then you can put them together, and it makes these lovely curved figures. So this time, I did Mary and Joseph. You can see them here. Here's Mary, and then Joseph over here. And I just realized tonight, when I'm looking at it, that his belt needs to be down here at his waist, not up here at his chest. So I'll be fixing that. But today, we just worked on the manger. So this is a little manger for him, the baby Jesus and his head, and then the wooden manger. Now I'm doing mine all in navy blue, sort of mottled fabric, because I want it to be starry night at night. And I see that most of these renditions that are done on this booklet are all done with a white background. But I'm going to do it with a navy blue. We'll see how that turns out. And what else are you working on this weekend? I just did a little video earlier on apple cider from Carolina Moore. And let's see, what else? Oh, murder mystery quilt. So I worked on that this weekend too. But the most exciting thing that I have that I've worked on, let me go get it. I'll show you. Hold on. Remember this one? This is the Sew Sampler from March. And it's called Lullaby. And my neighbor lady let me learn today how to do a long arm quilting. Edge to edge is what it's called. And it's a pro stitcher. And there's a lot of steps to that process. Boy, oh boy, but look how nice it is. Can you see the design at all? It's big, like big hearts. Yeah, here they are. The heart. And then the swoop that takes it over to the next heart. So this is going to be a baby quilt for my best friend's granddaughter's newly adopted infant. Isn't that exciting? Wow. Adopting a baby is like buying a BMW anymore. Yeah, that's how much they cost. But, and the back. The back is B. Gingham's from Lori Holt, wide back. In peach, and there's lots of peach in the front here too, so I'm very happy with it. I'm thinking about edging it with well, maybe some more peach. I've got a lot of peaches around in my fabric collections, so I'll take a look at all that. So I learned how to do long arming today. Ooh, I'm so excited. And she's right next door, just moved in. So I'm thrilled to have a new quilting buddy. Okay, so have a good day. This is Sunday afternoon, getting ready for a big week. And hit it hard. Okay, take care. Bye.